to withdraw money from Metamask. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw your money from your Metamask account. So in Metamask staking, a standard withdrawal is one that uses the staking protocol's withdrawal mechanism. To withdraw using this method, you have to click on the three dot icon in the top right of your holding and then just click on withdraw from there. And from here, input the amount of your liquid staking token that you would like to withdraw and then just click on withdraw. Now you will see a screen with a withdraw and swap option. Just select the withdraw and then click on review to proceed. And here you will now be able to use the detail of your proposed transaction, the amount of the liquid staking token you want to withdraw, and how much Ethereum and Matic you will receive when the process is complete. When you're reviewing the detail of the transaction and hit the confirm tab, and you may now be asked up for the two approval of your wallet. The first is to approve interacting with the liquid staking tokens contract, and the second is to approve the transaction. Once you're approved, the transaction in your wallet screen will update to the transaction in progress, indicating that your transaction is waiting to be confirmed. Once your transaction is confirmed, your withdrawal will begin to process, and the screen will update differently depending on the protocol you're using. And that's how you will be able to withdraw the money from your Metamask account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.